I literally watched my buddy copy and paste into GoHighLevel for like 20 minutes, and that's when it hit me. Most people are doing AI wrong. And here's what nobody tells you. If you're running GHL with zero automations, you're practically in the perfect place to start with Claude.ai. So today, I'm going to break down the 3 levels that you need to be aware of when it comes to Claude and hooking up GoHighLevel. Level 1, pretty straightforward and simple. This is where you and Claude could build something like an email sequence, copy and paste into GoHighLevel, and then fire that off. Level 2 is for those people that are already running GoHighLevel, but leads are slipping through the cracks. So what we can do there is we can do something like lead scoring. So I'm going to show you a few of those things. And then level 3 is the deepest integration. This is where it's a local based terminal. And this is where you can create an agent for yourself that will actually run on a scheduled cadence, and everything follows from there. So again, we're going to cover the Claude levels for GoHighLevel users. There's a level 1, a level 2, and a level 3. When you have the right tool and the right level of access, you get the job done. So here's what you need to know as we're going through this. Which one of these things do you need to use and so everything changes? Number 1, if you already have a developer that you're using, you might be paying them like $2 or $3 grand a month. This is a system where you can actually replace that because Claude Code, the terminal side where it's local on your computer, handles complex GHL logic, API calls, and some other things that can grow your business almost on autopilot. Secondly, you can stop copying and pasting. Like I mentioned earlier, my buddy was doing this for like 20 minutes and I was like, oh my God, you need to stop doing that, right? So you can move from manually feeding into a system where GHL sends data to Claude automatically back and forth and it talks. And then lastly, how do we turn AI from a toy into an infrastructure? Right? Because once we understand how to do this, most people use Claude like Google. And what we want to do is we want to just make it a little bit more in-depth for you. And most people think that you need to be a developer to use Claude with GHL. But actually the truth is Claude Chat, Claude Code Web requires zero coding. Right? You could do it right now. You're watching this video. You could follow along with this series on my channel. By the way, subscribe and like to the channel, please. Would appreciate that. But you can score leads, you can write workflows, you can fix broken automations, you could do a lot of things with GoHighLevel, with your level that you are at right now, wherever it is, right? And secondly, Claude is not just a chat bot. Most people think it's just a chat bot and it can't really run your business. But the truth is, at level 3, when you have the local integration, you can monitor your GHL pipelines 24/7. You can set automations and timers to remind yourself a lot of different things. You can move stages, you can draft replies, you can send nightly reports to yourself. You can do a lot of really amazing things, okay? So who am I? Again, my name is Sean Malone. I'm building this channel that you're watching right now. Again, thank you for watching this channel because I was tired of manually doing what I know a system should do for me and for a lot of other people. And I wanted to show others how to use this tech because it's not as hard as most people think. Again, I'm always focused on closing the deals. I'm a preferred partner with Anthropic and Claude, and I'm doing some big projects with them right now, so I'm probably the right person to be filming this video. So let's dive into level 1. Level 1 is called Claude Chat. This is where you'd open your web-based browser and you go to Claude.ai and you just start chatting with it back and forth. Now, level 1 is the conversation layer. There's zero chat up. It's just like chatting back and forth. It's free. You can just go get a free account. You bring the data. Claude gives you the output, copy paste, done, right? This is kind of what my friend was doing. And so here's the limitation with level 1. Like Claude sees nothing that you're doing inside of GoHighLevel. You paste data in and data comes out, but it doesn't connect and talk with Claude, right? So this is great if you're just trying to ideate. Level 1 Claude Chat for me is what I'd term the consultant, where you just have a conversation back and forth. Who's this for? Well, everyone. Day 1, zero technical skills required, and the free tier is absolutely sufficient for you. So there's a couple of use cases. So first of all, writing a follow-up email sequence. This is what I watched my buddy do. Again, he used the consultant web-based. He chatted, he created an email sequence, and then he copied and pasted that into GoHighLevel, and he scheduled and ran it. Great, but slow, right? Secondly, drafting a cold DM using a prospect's LinkedIn info that you paste. This is another great use case for that. Mapping your funnel logic, just saying, hey, what should my funnel look like, sound like, feel like? Again, as if you're talking to a consultant, it's gonna spit back the answers to you, right? And then rewriting a weak offer. This is very good for basically copying and pasting an entire funnel page or a sales page and then putting it into Claude and saying, hey, make this offer a lot stronger. It will do a great job of telling you what to do there. Lastly, troubleshooting any GHL automations that you may have just simply by describing it. In fact, this is one of my favorite ways that I use the consultant. I'll take a screenshot of what's happening, paste it into GHL, and then GHL says, here's what you need to do next, right? So here's what I'd like to do. I want to give you a bonus free give. There's a link below in the description box, which is going to take you to the GHL SOP blueprint, of which you can just copy that thing, edit it down a little bit, and then put it right into your Claude system. Let me show you how it works. So after you've downloaded this, you're going to be on a sheet that looks something like this. And again, if you don't have a GHL account yet, you can grab a free 30-day trial from this link right here just by clicking this and going through. You also get a boot camp with it, but the point of the video is to show you how to use this GHL blueprint. So what we want to do is, this is a working SOP template. It's not a tutorial or a list of tips. It's something where you just fill in the blanks, right? So how do you use it? You open Claude.ai. So you open Claude like you see here. Then what you're going to do is actually come up to this place called projects. Now projects is a place where you can store different things that you're doing. You can have multiple chats where it cross-references all the data. Projects are very important. So we're going to open a new project and we're going to title this thing GHL SOP, just so you can see this. And I would put the goal of helping me to automate my GHL, right? And you hit create project, and that's going to bring you into a new project. Now, what we want to do before we do anything else is we're going to come over here to where it says instructions. Instructions are the things that you put into Claude in order to do the thing. So we hit here, and now we're going to go back to the document that I just shared. Okay, so we did this. Go to projects in the left sidebar, create a new project named GHL Sales System. I actually called it the GHL SOP, close enough. And so now we're going to add instructions inside the project. This is your persistent context layer in every chat. And so how it works is you have to just complete all 8 sections, paste in, reply every bracket with your actual info. So you cruise down here where it says start, copy, and paste. And what you want to do is you want to come in here, you want to fill this out. The closer's blueprint. Right? And then you would go through and you'd fill out all these things here. And then when you're done, you copy all of this right here to where it says stop copying here. So we're going to copy everything between these two things after we filled it all out. Here we go, all the way up to the top here. Section 1, boom. And then we're going to go over to our Claude and we're going to paste this stuff right here. And that's all you have to do is hit save instructions. Now, when you start a chat inside of this project, it references your instructions, so it knows everything about you, so you can win right from the start. So let's move into level 2. So level 1 is that consultant. We want to make sure that you have the SOP in there so you can chat with Claude and it will kick out the right things for you. But level 2, I call this person or this system the deep analyst, where you have a kind of a one-off complex project that you want to accomplish for somebody, right? Writes, edits, execute code, uploads a file, pastes data, puts stuff on your computer, and so on and so forth. The limitation is it doesn't run automatically. You need to initiate it each time. It's high value, but not always on. However, they do have this new thing called routines that you can set up some timers, which might help. So when you're inside of Claude, what you want to do is you want to look on the left-hand nav menu. You'll see something that says code. You click the code and then you'd have a new session up and going. Now this is web-based, which means you can work from anywhere and still have it work the same way. Right? Who's this for? Well, this is for the business owner who wants to leverage without hiring a developer. So if that's you, here's a couple of use cases that might make some sense. Number 1, exporting contacts from where GHL is a CSV. You can actually have Claude score those things versus your ICP, your ideal client profile, and then re-import the ranked list. So you now have a higher priority. Hey, these are A-list type people, these are B-list type people, and C-list type people to close more deals. This is going to get you more deal flow with better quality people. That's what everybody wants. Second use case is if you have any messy connections where you're trying to like build Zapier or Makes together, you can have Claude Code build custom logic with triggers. Thirdly, if you have a transcript, right? This is very powerful for pulling some data on how you get better at sales. You can extract objections, you can write CRM notes, follow-up emails, you can train yourself on how to close more deals based on what people are saying to you. You can hear the real phrases. One of the things I love is when you take the actual phrase that somebody says on a sales conversation and you use it back against them. It works so well, right? So if you already have a workflow inside of GHL, you can actually grab the JSON code and Claude can audit it for you and find any broken links or branches that you may have. So again, this is more of the deeper analyst that can do a one-off deep level project for you, but not so much recurring, right? So let's move into level 3. Level 3 is my favorite version of Claude. This is the one where we actually open our terminal, which is an interface that we would chat into our terminal on our local desktop, but it's hooked into Claude and it can run everything you want. So you load Claude into your terminal or onto your computer, and then you can just use it as if you are using the Claude.ai on the web, or even the code-based version on the web. But this one's locally on your machine, and this is much faster, much better, because it can access not only all your files but all the tools that Claude has to offer. And this is where you can set up routines in order to get things done. And here's the use cases that make sense. Number one, you can create a live inbox agent so your AI is actually talking. Now, a lot of people tell me, hey, Sean, I could just use Ask AI inside of GHL for this. Yes, that's true. However, you can't store your GHL SOP inside, so it's not going to talk exactly like you. Right? So the output from Ask AI inside of GHL is not as strong as doing it this way. Promise, because I've tested it. So you can build a live inbox agent that talks just like you. That's one use case. You can do content enrichment on an ongoing basis where you just schedule this thing. It's like every new contact that enters your GoHighLevel system by opting in, Claude will research them, write a personalized first touch message for you, attach it to a contact record, put an email in there, whatever you need it to do, it'll do that, right? And then another great use case of this system is, again, setting up a nightly pipeline audit, saying how many people came into my pipeline, how many people were stalled for the last period of time, how many people need to be moved over, and what can I do to actually execute on this. So it's like kicking a report out to you. So you wake up first thing in the morning, you're like, whoa, I have this amazing report and I can move forward. And then lastly, post-call automation. After you have a conversation with somebody, the transcript can be pushed right into Claude, the CRM notes can be written, it can develop and build follow-up emails and some other things like that, right? So I love the terminal-based version better than all of these because it is a system that's local on my machine. So here's the progression. If you're just getting started, you want to start with level 1. This is who I call your consultant, the chat, back and forth, copy, paste, a little bit more work. Level 2 is that Claude Code Web side where we can build projects, but you can upload data, one-off outputs, minimal setup, and it's browser-based. This is the deep analyst. And then lastly is our Claude Code Terminal. This is my favorite part. This is where you can automate an employee to do things for you, right? So depending on where you're at, these are the levels that you want to start with. And your number one challenge to unlocking all of this is not learning Claude. It's not knowing where to start. So most people either start too advanced, they get overwhelmed and they quit, or they never graduate past the chat. And I think what most people are doing is leaving like at least $10,000 a month of new sales on the table. We don't want to do that, right? So if you have no experience, your zero GHL automations are live, here's where you want to start. Start at level 1. Start chatting. The first test you should do for yourself is building and shipping an email sequence today. Secondly, if you have GHL running, but leads are falling through the crack, you want to move into level 2, uploading your contact CSV, let Claude score every lead against your ICP in one single session. And then lastly, if your agency serves 5 or more clients and you're doing the manual work, level 3 is your next hire. You want to build the pipeline audit system, run it nightly, and everything else will follow. These are the easiest places for you to get started. And your next move is pretty straightforward and simple. Just go to Claude.ai, paste your next GHL follow-up sequence, ask Claude to rewrite your ICP. This takes 15 minutes. It's an easy start for you today. Secondly, below in the description box, there's also a link to grab a free GHL starter snapshot and a 30-day trial. So you can get this exact snapshot, this framework used in the presentation. The link is waiting for you in the description. And again, it's just go.closers-blueprint.com/snapshot. And let's get things moving. So when I watched my buddy copying and pasting between Claude and GHL, I realized that most people try to automate before they actually have this intelligence layer, and that's why it feels complicated. So please leave a comment below on any questions that you may have. I do take it personally, I do read each one of them, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Ciao for now.